it for treating acne, ringworm, eczema with your basil leaf. Now, what is the spiritual benefit of basil leaf? Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to every one of my subscribers, and welcome to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So today I have an interesting topic to talk about. I notice I've not been covering every topics on the profile. Like if you check out our profile on this channel, you're going to see a whole lot of interesting topics that we will be treating on this channel. But I noticed I've always been focusing on skincare, and yes, this year we are really ready to bring in a whole lot of content. If you can just open HBM Organic Beauty profile, you're going to see that a whole lot of topics are on the profile. Topics like skincare formulations, reviews and skin herbalism. It's not babalawo. Body enhancement DIY, kaya mata, aphrodisiac. Yes, these are things I know. Fine, I've not really been doing much of kaya mata, aphrodisiac or skin herbalism. When it comes to skin agbo, when it comes to herbs, man, I am gifted. Like skin healing, yeah, for your information, yeah, it's my gift. Okay, so that is why my skincare brand, I don't joke with herbals. Most of my skincare formulation is formulated with herbal infused water or herbal infused oil and all that. So again, on this channel we are doing herbs and plant symbolism. What I mean by herbs and plant symbolism is that you see the herbs you see around you. Apart from you using herbs to make medicine, you're using herb to make a cream, you're using herb to make your soap. There are other spiritual benefits to each of these herbs and plants you see around you, and I'm gonna be bringing that content in because I'm very sure so many of us want to make money this year, isn't it? So I'm gonna be showing you what you can do, what soap you can do, what herb you can incorporate to make soaps, you know, favor soap, good luck soap, market soap, and other soap, other oil. What herbs you can infuse to make a very good oil. What herbs you can make join together to make a good fragrance, you know, attraction fragrance and all that. Well, I'm just saying all this because I'm very sure most of you will be interested in this, and please support me as I start this. Okay, so please do not let us make it like every day is all about skincare. Of course, skincare herbalism is just my calling. Yeah, it's a gift. Like seriously, when I mean it's a gift, it runs in my family. Seriously, like I'm not joking here. So I use herbs to do a whole lot of things. Okay, so today I just want to tell you about a particular herb. I'm telling you the herbal remedy or the herbal benefit of this particular leaf to treat a particular skin problem. Okay, so and I'm talking about a particular herb today. I'm talking about this basil herb. Yeah, this particular basil, we have different kind of basil. Basil is one of the major ingredients I use in making my acne toner. Okay, our acne toner, our acne bar soap, we use this basil. Okay, so when I say I make all my skincare products with herbs, I really mean it for sure. That is what I do. Okay, and again, most of the time I grind these herbs, then I incorporate them into soap. Some herbs that when I start mentioning their name, like you won't believe this is HBM, but it's just that I've just decided like this year, no, let me just be myself, let me just come out and be myself. You know, enough of hiding a whole lot of things. Okay, so this herb is called basil, but we have different kind of basil. Okay, we have different kind of basil leaf. We have a whole lot of different kind of basil. This particular one is called sweet basil leaf. Okay, and this one in Nigeria is called scent leaf. They call this scent leaf. The Yorubas call this I think efirin. Then the Igbos, they call this, is it ahugbe or something like that? Yeah, ahugbe. Pardon me, I'm an Igbo lady, but I don't really know how to speak Igbo. So this is sweet basil, and like I said, in my acne wash I use this a whole lot. So now I'll be teaching you how you can use this plant to make acne toner. Okay, Let's say for an example, you want to make a simple toner. The way I make mine, you may not be able to make yours that way, but I'm going to be giving you a simple recipe on how you can actually make acne toner. So if you're the type that suffers from severe acne, you're my kind of a person that suffers severe acne, like you can see the spots here, it's a severe acne I had, and it's left me with a very big boy. So anytime the boy goes down, it usually leaves me with a spot, which I have to start using herbal spots removal before it's fade away gradually. You can see it's fading away gradually. So the way I use this toner is this way. I get enough set. If I can get like 50 naira on, please, if you're not in Nigeria, please, you can also use basil leaf from your side. It may not be the same with this particular one is called sweet basil leaf. We have different kind of basil leaf, but they all do the same thing. They all give the same herbal benefit. Okay, so just get a basil leaf. When you get a basil leaf, you just plug out the basil leaf. You just plug them out like this. Then you rinse them very well in a clean water. Okay, when you rinse them in a clean water, pour the leaves in a pot, a very clean pot. Okay, a very clean pot. Then pour rose water into this leaf, then put it on fire and let it boil. Okay, so when you let it boil, when it has boiled and all the extract has infused in the water, you're gonna see the color of the water will change a bit. So bring it down, allow the water to cool down, then strain it. Okay, so if you want to keep for like 1 month, please add German Plus. You can add 0.5% of German Plus into the basil leaf herbal water you just cook. Then you stir and pour in a bottle. Okay, it is called a toner. So if you're suffering from acne, please use this. This is very, very good. That is your acne toner. So if you also want to make the acne toner to be super like you want it to be super strong, get this basil leaf, get neem. We all know neem. Neem in Nigeria is called dongoyaro. I'm going to be putting it up on the screen for you to see. Yeah, that is neem. So you get neem, get this basil leaf, plug the leaf, rinse it very well, pour it in a pot, pour rose water, then bring it to boil, strain out the water, and add German Plus preservative 0.5%. That means if you're making 200 ml of basil toner, you're going to be adding 1 gram of German Plus into your toner, and your toner will last you even up to a year. Okay, so that is a free recipe I have just given you. So if you know you sell skincare products, if you know you have severe acne, you have this boy acne, if you know you have eczema on your face, if you know you have ringworm on your face, please just make use of this solution. Use basil leaf. You can add neem leaf also. Bring it to boil, put preservative, then be using it. Okay, so after baths, you just you can spray on your face and allow it to dry, or you can use a cotton, or you can use a cotton bag, or you can use a cotton pad and dab the toner on your face. So that is it for treating acne, ringworm, eczema with your basil leaf. Now, what is the spiritual benefit of basil leaf? For married couples who are always fighting at home, that is for peace in your marriage, there are ways you can use basil. Now let me gist you what you just need to do. Okay, what you need to do is just to plug this. When you plug this, you rinse it. Okay, when you rinse it, you soak it in water. Do not boil. Soak it in water for 3 hours. When you soak it in water for 3 hours, carry the water, say your prayers, say your intention into that water, say what you want for your marriage into that water. Okay, and rinse with that water. Rinse with the water. Okay, so if you want unity in your home, you want peace in your home, soak this in water for 3 hours. Say your prayers into the water, say your intentions into the water, then rinse with the water. Okay, rinse with the water, and believe me, please say your prayers. Okay, this is not just this is not just this really work for real. Say your prayers, then rinse with the water, and believe me, you're gonna come back and tell me that is really working. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this content, and if you want more of this content, if you want more of my skin herbalism, if you want more of my plants and herbs symbolism content, if you want more of Kayam Mata and aphrodisiac content, if you want more of body enhancement, skincare formulation with herbs content, so please just drop in the commenting box that I should write on. Okay, so thank you so much. Like, I love you guys so much. You don't know how much I love you. I love you guys so much. Without you, there is no HBM Organic Beauty. Believe me, for the Kayam Mata and aphrodisiac content I'll be bringing to this channel, for those of you selling aphrodisiac products like sex sweetener, love and attraction oil and all that, oh my god, this year na me and una. Okay, so take care guys, love you and bye.